unnatural things in the game.
Are good people?
So people know that how they conduct themselves matters. They don't give up hope.
You've fought before, but not against such as I.
I fear that my fall has already been written. The gods themselves could not pry me loose.
2025 is ending with a bang. In December is packed with some truly extraordinary releases. From big fantasy world to edge of your seat thrillers, it's pure being alert. In today's video, we are talking about the best TV series in December 2025. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and comment which show you are most excited about.
I'm just calling to say
Percy Jackson and the Olympians Season 2.
You guys get nightmares, right? My name is Percy Jackson.
The danger the camp is under is greater than you can possibly imagine.
What about Grover? You know where he is?
Arriving on Disney Plus and Hulu on December 10th, the second season of Percy Jackson and the Olympians continues a story rooted in a modern world quietly shaped by ancient Greek mythology. The journey begins with Percy, a 12-year-old who slowly realizes his unusual abilities come from his father Poseidon. This discovery leads him into a hidden realm where divine power, long-buried conflicts, and rising threats exist side by side with the human world. Spartacus, House of Ashur.
A quickening pulse. The deafening roar of the ground.
Kill him!
And the bitter sting of blood.
Spartacus, House of Ashur premieres December 5th, 2025. Exclusively on the Starz app, bringing the gladiator world alive again with a fresh story. Created by Steven S. Dennett and directed by Rick Jacobson, the series promises thrilling action. This time the focus is on Ashur, played again by Nick A. Terabey, who was once known as a snaky and dangerous fighter. In this story, Ashur survives and rises to control the gladiator school where he was once enslaved. Now he must use his clever mind to maintain his power while dealing with Romans and old enemies. Man vs. Baby. Rowan Atkinson returns to Netflix in Man vs. Baby, reprising his role as Trevor Bingley from Man vs. Bee, a pure nostalgia trip for fans of the classic Mr. Bean we all loved. This holiday, Netflix is bringing another sequel on December 11. True to its title, the story pits Mr. Bingley against a baby. Trevor Bingley, Rowan Atkinson, having left his chaotic house-sitting days behind, now works as a school caretaker. But when he is offered a lucrative job looking after a luxury London penthouse over Christmas, he can't resist. Things quickly go off the rails when on the last day of term, no one comes to pick up the baby Jesus from the school nativity, leaving Trevor to babysit on actual baby. Emily in Paris Season 5. Emily in Paris Season 5 will be released on Netflix on Thursday, December 18th with all 10 episodes. This season takes Emily from Paris to Rome and even Venice. It follows her as she navigates life and love across two cities, exploring a romance with Marcello while managing a new great office in Rome. Season 4 ended with romantic tension between Emily and Gabriel, setting the stage for new conflicts and connection in Season 5. City of Shadows 2025. City of Shadows is a new Netflix thriller that premieres on December 12th and takes viewers deep into a dark and mysterious crime in Barcelona. The story begins when a burnt body is found hanging on the outside of the famous Casamia, also known as La Pedra. This shocking discovery forces Inspector Milo Malad, played by Isaac Ferris, to return to work after being suspended. He teams up with Deputy Inspector Rebecca Gao, played by Veronica, and together they begin a difficult investigation filled with clues that seem strange and symbolic. The War Between the Land and the Sea. Premiering on BBC One and BBC iPlayer on December 7, 2025. The War Between the Land and the Sea is a 5-part sci-fi drama set in the Joani Wars, exploring what happens when an ancient sea species rise to the surface. The sudden return to these mysterious creatures throws the world into chaos, forcing humanity to confront a threat unlike anything they have faced before. The Copenhagen Test. It is a thrilling crafted sci-fi thriller built around the chilling idea that humans' mind can be hacked as easily as computer. Alexander Hell, played by Simu Liu, an intelligence analyst who discovered that his brain has been hacked, allowing unseen forces to access everything he sees and hears. Each action and decision he takes become a delicate game, forcing him to navigate a world where trust is scarce and reality is constantly changing. Stranger Things Season 5 Part 2. The hype for Stranger Things is real. In just a few days, we will experience the first part of Season 5, followed by Part 2 and the epic finale on December 25th on 31st, respectively, without giving away spoilers. Volume 2, Episode 5, 6, and 7, and the final Episode 8. Dive into the climax as the character face a darkness more powerful than ever before. The Abundance. It is a British cinematic western set in the 1850s, streaming December 4, 2025, starring Lena Headey and Gillian Anderson. The story follows a fierce clash over land, power, and survival in the once-forgotten territory. Constance, a widow who expended her late husband's mining fortune, sets her sight on Jasper Hollow, home to Fiona and her adopted family of orphans and outcasts known as the Abundance, who refuse to sell. Fallout Season 2. Fallout Season 2 takes the story into a wider and more dangerous world shaped by Jonathan Nolan's vision. This chapter pushes the journey towards the Mojave, a location long-time fans will instantly recognize, opening the door to bigger conflicts and richer character growth. Ella Pernell as Lucy continues her search for truth in a world that keeps changing faster than she can understand, while his soul's past and presence begin to collide in dangerous new ways.